everyone, my name is Alicia and I'm a photographer. Today I'll tell you about my experience shooting a tennis player. I really love sports photography. There is always so much energy and dynamics, even in static photos. I had wanted to do a shot on a tennis court for a long time, and then Daria reached out to me. She's a tennis player and agreed to be my model. The first step was choosing the location. Many tennis courts in our city are indoor, because it's cold and rainy for half the year and too hot to play under the blazing sun for the other half. But we found some outdoor courts and it was perfect. The second important point was the outfit. Not everyone who plays tennis recreationally has special clothes for it. Daria had to search several websites to find a tennis skirt and visor. We were limited in dates, so we took the available time on the court, even though it wasn't the most convenient for shooting. The best times would have been early morning or late afternoon, when the sun isn't too harsh. But we had to shoot in the middle of the day. When shooting in the heat, bring plenty of water. Usually when we shoot in the park, we use the shade from trees or buildings, but there was no such option here. So a hat is essential, and don't forget sunscreen. I didn't do this and got a bit sunburned. For an unfamiliar location, always prepare references, but don't be afraid to be flexible and adapt to circumstances. For example, I planned to start with sitting shots, but the clay court was quite dirty. If we had started with those shots, we would have ruined the clothes immediately, so we saved them for last. We started with standing shots, then did close-up portraits and then sitting shots. After that, we changed the outfit and took some dynamic shots. When we were about to leave, the sun went behind a cloud, and we decided to take another dozen portraits with softer light. For the shoot, I used a 50mm lens. This lens is perfect for portrait photography, especially when you have enough space. It creates sharp and detailed images, maintaining natural proportions and softness. The 50mm lens also provides beautiful bokeh, helping to make the model stand out against the tennis court background. For dynamic shots, I used burst mode and continuous autofocus. These features ensure you don't miss any important moments, especially when the model is in motion. Burst mode captures a sequence of actions, which is crucial for sports photography. Continuous autofocus keeps the model in focus even during fast movements, making the shots sharp and expressive. Working with light in these conditions is quite challenging. Some shots can only be taken with harsh light and direct sunlight, like shots with shadows from the net or racket. Harsh light helps create interesting and dramatic effect. In other cases, I positioned the model with her back to the sun, so she could keep her eyes open comfortably. This helps avoid strong shadows on the face and result in softer, more pleasing lighting. Also, you could use reflectors and diffusers to help control the light and create the desired mood in the shot.
Feelings on the rise, gotta let you know. Is you down to ride?
Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful and interesting for you. On my channel you'll find more videos with photography tips and tutorials for creative photography sessions. Subscribe and see you in other videos.